Yes, ma'am.
Have, have you started writing it in your fair books?
Yes, miss.
Because from now onwards, I am going to check your fair books, so you need to complete it, okay? So, chapter 6 is done, no?
Yes.
Okay, then let's move on to chapter 7. PDF is provided. Solutions of chapter 6 is provided, right?
Yes. Can I read?
Okay, what's your name? I do not know you personally. You need to tell me your name.
Okay, ma'am. Silatia Mariam.
Mariam.
Yes.
Yes, beta, come on, read. Conservation of plants and animals.
Conservation of plants and animals. We we saw in class 8 that
Seventh,
Paheli,
beta.
7th that Paheli and Bujo had visited had ahead and to Ibu. They were eager to share their experience with their classmates. Other children in the class were also eager to share their experience, and as some of them had visited Bharat full century, some others and had heard about the Kaz-
Kaziranga.
Kaziranga National Park. Lokto Wildlife Sanctuary, Great Nicobar Biosphere Reserves and Tiger Reserve, etc. Some natural cause of
Deforestation, beta.
deforestation and its cause as the great variety of plant and animal exit of the earth. They are the essential for the well-being, the survival and making today a modern
Survival of mankind.
civilization. Huh? Yes, ma'am.
Survival of mankind.
So while mankind today a major threat to survival of this organism is deforestation. We know that deforestation means clearing of the forest and using that the land of other purposes. Trees in the forest are cut on some of the proposals mentioned below. Forbidding land of cultivations, building houses and for factories, making and furniture or using wood as
Fuel. Some natural causes of deforestation are fires and severe droughts. So here they are explaining about conservation of plants and animals, and we already saw in class 7 that Paheli and Bujo had visited the forest along with Professor Ahmed and Tibu. What did they see there? They were eager to share their experiences. Okay. Other children in the class were also eager to share their experiences. Some others had heard about Kaziranga National Park. Have you heard about Kaziranga National Park or Lok Shau
yes,
Wildlife Sanctuary? What is the specialty of Kaziranga National Park? Yes. Can I have an answer? Kaziranga National Park की specialty क्या है? What can you see there? What is there to see in Kaziranga National Park? Or why is it famous? Is it famous for?
wildlife of tiger and etc.
Very good. Then what about Nicobar Biosphere Reserve and Tiger Reserve? It is the same thing. Okay, it is famous for tigers. Now, in the next paragraph, they are talking about deforestation and its causes. Do you know what is deforestation? What is deforestation? Yes. Anybody
Animal
here?
exit are a deforestation organism.
Sorry, I cannot hear you properly. Come again.
Exit are earth animal essentials of mankind. Time of major survival of this organism is called
No, that is not deforestation, beta. डिफॉरेस्टेशन मीन्स जो फॉरेस्ट होते हैं वो सारे खत्म हो जाते हैं, उसको डिफॉरेस्टेशन कहते हैं. व्हेन वी कट डाउन द ट्रीज, it is the main cause of deforestation. Why do we cut down the trees? Because we need raw materials for fuels, right? We need wood. That's why we are cutting down trees. And the more we cut down trees, the more deforestation occurs. Okay. So deforestation मतलब forest cut down हो जाना, forest खत्म हो जाना is deforestation. Now, a great variety of plants and animals are there on the earth, and they are essential for the well being and survival of mankind. Because we need plants as raw materials for many things. We need trees for wood, we need other plants, we use them as medicines. Yes or no? Then we use the skin of animals as leather. It is important for us, no? So if we are killing them for our own selfish needs, and due to that, the after effects of that is leading to deforestation. Okay, today a major threat to survival of these organisms is deforestation matlab when we are cutting down trees, when the whole forest is getting destroyed because of our selfish needs, is the main cause of deforestation. We know that deforestation means clearing of forest. See, understood? Clearing of forest and using that land for other purpose. मतलब if we want to increase the area for cities, we need it for urbanization. अगर हमको वहाँ पे इंडस्ट्री डालनी है तो वहाँ पे जो ट्रीज होंगे उसको कट करना पड़ेगा, वो लैंड को साफ करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि हमें वहाँ पे बिल्डिंग बनानी है, फैक्ट्री डालनी है. तो फॉरेस्ट डैमेज हुआ ना. यस और नो? Trees in
yes,
the forest are, yes,
yes,
that is deforestation. That is the another reason for deforestation. Other than that, trees in the forest are cut for some of the purposes mentioned below. Procuring land for cultivation. Procuring land for cultivation मतलब हमें land चाहिए crops grow करने के लिए. This is also one of the reason for deforestation because we want to grow crops there. So we need to clear the forest because we need land for growing crops. We want to build houses and factories. For that also we need to cut down the trees and clear the land. Then we want to make furniture or use that wood as a fuel. And this is another reason why we will cut down the trees because we need wood of that tree to make furniture and we want to use that wood as a fuel. Understood? Another reasons of deforestation are forest fires. Have you heard about forest fires? Yes or
yes,
no? What are forest fires? What are forest fires? Yes. What are forest
fire
fires?
breath, fire breath.
Um, when either due to friction, the fire
Friction
Friction
of
for
what? Friction
fire
of what?
of
branches of trees.
Yes, okay. This can be one of the reason. Great. Other than that,
mm, the rubbing of dry branches with each
very
other.
good. Very good. Okay, then
Then, if we go there for camp and our silly mistake can lead to fire.
very nice. This is also a reason why forest fire is caused. और एक natural reason is also one that when it is during summer when there is a lot of heat, the dry leaves and dry branches will become so hot that it is going to catch fire and then it will spread. The fire is going to spread till the trees and the whole forest will burn gradually. Okay. This is also main cause
Yes.
for forest fire. Other than that, severe drought. Severe drought मतलब अगर बारिश नहीं हुई है, so there will be no water. So the trees and the branches are going to dry out, and ultimately the tree is going to die, and the forest is going to get destroyed. Yes or no?
Yes.
Understood? Let's move ahead. Who was supposed to read?
Can I
Who
read, ma'am?
wanted to? What's your name, Beta? What's your name, Beta?
Fatima Zahra.
Yeah, Fatima Zahra.
Consequences of deforestation. Paheli and Buju recalled the conses- consequences of deforestation. They
Fatima Zahra,
remembered
what's
that
your surname,
deforestation.
Beta? I'm sorry, I'm stopping
Sarani.
you. What? Sarani. Okay. Yes, Beta, go ahead.
They remembered that deforestation increases the temperature and pollution level on the earth. It increases the level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Groundwater level also gets lower. They know that deforestation disturbs the balance in nature. They were told by Professor Ahmed that if cutting of trees continues, rainfall and fertility of the soil will
Fertility of the soil will decrease.
decrease. Moreover, there will be increased chances of natural calamities such as floods and droughts. Recall that plants need carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. Fewer trees would mean that less carbon dioxide will be used up, resulting in its increased amount in the atmosphere. This will lead to global warming as carbon dioxide traps the heat rays reflected by the earth. The increase in temperature on the earth disturbs the water cycle and may reduce rainfall. This could cause droughts.
Okay.
Defor-
Okay, Beta, wait, let me explain, okay? So, consequences of deforestation. Now, we will be discussing the consequences of deforestation, and here, Paheli and Bojo recall the consequences of deforestation. Now, they are remembering the consequences of deforestation. They remembered that deforestation increases the temperature and pollution level on the earth. मतलब deforestation तो किस चीज से होता है वो हमने डिस्कस कर लिया. The causes of deforestation are discussed. Now we see the causes we discussed here. Now we are discussing the consequences. Consequences matlab what will happen after deforestation, what is going to happen. So first and foremost thing is increases the temperature and pollution level. Okay, this is the first thing. It will increase the temperature, मतलब गर्मी ज़्यादा होने लगेगी, and it will also increase the pollution level because the more it burns, the more smoke will be produced. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
आग जलेगी तो smoke produce होगा ना?
Yes.
Okay. It will also increase the level of carbon dioxide in atmosphere. Level of carbon dioxide in atmosphere is increased. This is the second consequence. Third consequence is groundwater level also gets lowered. Groundwater level है वो नीचे 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 जाता जाएगा. We know borewell है किसी के घर पे? Does anybody have borewell at their home? Yes. Anybody? Yes. Can I talk to you, beta? At least say yes or no. Does anybody have borewell at their home? Boring चा घर है boring.
Yes.
no,
बोर जो जिसके जिसने यस बोला वो उसका उसका नाम बताओ. Who said yes right now?
Mariam.
मरियम, यस मरियम, सो यू विल बी नोइंग कि पानी नीचे चला जाता है तो कितनी प्रॉब्लम होती है, राइट?
Yes.
है ना?
Yes.
So due to deforestation, groundwater level will also get lowered. वो नीचे चला जाएगा पानी. They know that deforestation disturbs the balance in the nature. They will also, due to deforestation, the balance in nature will also be disturbed. Okay, so there are four reasons in this paragraph. First, what will happen due to deforestation? The temperature of the atmosphere will increase, and also the pollution is going to increase, because when deforestation has taken place, अगर forest fire से deforestation हुआ है तो आग के वजह से pollution भी बहुत सारा होगा. Okay. Another thing, the level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere will increase. Carbon dioxide increase हो जाएगा atmosphere में, and carbon dioxide is not good for breathing. Yes or no? Other than that, due to deforestation, ground level will also get lowered. Ground level है वो भी नीचे चला जाएगा. Water level, ground level का जो पानी है वो नीचे चला जाएगा, and because of that also there are so many problems occurring due to that. And the fourth reason is balance in the nature is going to get disturbed. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes. Can anybody explain these 4 points? Can anybody repeat these 4 points behind me? आप बोल सकते हो? Hello. Yes, Mariam. Say the 4 points. Tell me the consequences of deforestation, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
जी.
Increase the temperature of pollution level. Increase the pollution. Water is increasing.
Groundwater level gets decreased, beta. Carbon dioxide
Groundwater
level
level
is
is
increased.
decreased. Carbon carbon dioxide is the atmosphere. The carbon dioxide is atmosphere.
It increases in the atmosphere.
Increase in this atmosphere.
Very good, beta. Anybody
Level
else? Yeah, okay,
level
okay.
level also gets low. The level is load.
Lowered, yes. Groundwater level is lowered. Very good.
Balance is
Balance in nature is disturbed.
nature, balance nature.
Anybody else? Fatima Sarani, beta, do you
Can
want to
I
say the
come?
4 point? हाँ beta.
Yes.
Go ahead.
Deforestation increases the temperature and pollution level. Then it increases carbon dioxide in atmosphere. Then
Hmm.
groundwater decreases. Then it also disturbs the balance in in nature.
Very good. Very good, beta. Anybody else? Anybody else wants to put light on this? Okay. Now, Paheli and Bujo were also told by the professor that, sorry, they were also told by Professor Ahmed, Paheli and Bujo. प्रोफेसर अहमद ने पहले और बूजो को ये भी बोला था दैट इफ कटिंग ऑफ ट्रीज कंटिन्यू, अगर ट्रीज कट करना जारी रहेगा, then rainfall and fertility of soil will decrease. Rainfall will decrease and fertility of the soil will also decrease. Do you know what is fertility of soil? Fertility of soil का मतलब क्या होता है? What is fertility of soil? How is it going to get decreased? Because of lack of rainfall. Okay, rainfall कम होगा तो मिट्टी को पानी नहीं मिलेगा तो वो सही से वो ड्राई हो जाएगी, और ड्राई मिट्टी में हम क्रॉप्स कल्टीवेट नहीं कर सकते. यस और नो? यस और नो?
Yes.
Okay. Then moreover, there will be increased chances of natural calamities such as floods and droughts. Also, what will happen? This is the fourth or fifth reason. See, because of cutting trees, fertility of the soil will decrease and rainfall will also decrease. This is the fifth point. 4 points हमने ऊपर कर लिए, ठीक है? This is the fifth point. Other than that, natural calamities like floods and droughts will also increase. This is the sixth point. Okay? Understood? Understood, beta? Yes or
Yes,
no?
ma'am.
All right.
Yes.
So these are the 6 points. These are the consequences of deforestation. Recall that the plants need carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. As we need oxygen for breathing, plants need carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. याद है कि नहीं है?
Yes.
You remember or not? Yes. So fewer trees would mean that less carbon dioxide will be used up, resulting in its increased amount in the atmosphere. What they are talking about? Recall, fewer trees would mean less carbon dioxide क्योंकि कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड कम होगा, ठीक है? अगर ट्रीज कम होंगे तो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड भी कम होगा. Fewer trees would mean that less carbon dioxide will be used up because trees take in carbon dioxide for breathing. हम जैसे ऑक्सीजन अंदर लेते हैं ब्रीथ करने के लिए, वैसे ही ट्रीज है, दे यूज कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड फॉर ब्रीदिंग. तो अगर ट्रीज कम होंगे तो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को अंदर कौन लेगा? हु विल टेक इन कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड? तो एटमॉस्फेयर में कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बढ़ जाएगा. यस और नो?
Yes.
यस और नो? Yes, the carbon dioxide will be increased in atmosphere and this will lead to global warming as carbon dioxide traps the heat rays reflected by the earth. See, there are trees, they take in carbon dioxide. तो जितने ज्यादा trees उतना कम carbon dioxide. Yes or no? So if there are few trees, only one or two trees, that means carbon dioxide will be too much because there is no trees to take in carbon dioxide. Yes or no, beta?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Now, if carbon dioxide is increased in the atmosphere, तो heat rays जो है वो भी ज्यादा हो जाएगी because carbon dioxide traps heat. It is going to trap heat. जो sun से जो heat आती है, carbon dioxide उसको trap कर लेता है. So that means that global warming will increase because of less trees and it will lead to increase in carbon dioxide and that will lead to global warming. Understood or not? Yes or no?
Yes.
And the increase in the temperature on the earth will disturb the water cycle and may reduce rainfall. तो उसके हिसाब से रेनफॉल भी कम हो जाएगा क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा हीट होगी तो उसके हिसाब से वाटर साइकिल विल गेट डिस्टर्ब्ड एंड there will be no rainfall which will cause droughts. Understood? The less the
Yes.
trees, you just have to remember one thing, beta. The less the trees, the more carbon dioxide. अगर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ज्यादा है तो हीट ज्यादा होगी और हीट ज्यादा है तो रेनफॉल कम होगा. अंडरस्टूड? द लेस द ट्रीज, the more carbon dioxide. Because of more carbon dioxide, more heat, and because of more heat, less rainfall. Understood? Clear, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Easy?
Yes.
Easy or not?
Yes.
Okay. Who is reading deforestation?
Fatima Sarani.
Yes, Fatima Sarani, go ahead.
Yes. Deforestation is a major cause which leads to the change in soil properties. Physical properties of the soil gets affected by plantation and vegetation. Recall from class 7 how trees prevent soil erosion. Fewer trees result in more soil erosion. Removal of the top layer of the soil exposes the lower, hard and rocky layers. This soil has less humus and is less fertile. Gradually, the fertile land gets converted into deserts. It is called desertification.
Okay. Deforestation is the major cause which leads to change in soil property. Physical properties of the soil get affected by plantation and vegetation. Now, what they are talking about is there is a simple math behind this. देखो, here there is soil, okay? This is the top layer of the soil. Then this is the bottom layer of the soil, and then comes the rocky layer of the soil, okay? Understood? Yes or no?
Yes,
Now, just imagine one thing, one simple thing. जितने ज्यादा trees होंगे, the trees have roots, right?
yes,
तो roots है वो soil को पकड़ के रख रहे हैं, देखो. Yes or no?
yes,
So when there are a lot of trees on the land, the roots of the trees will hold on to the soil. ठीक है? Or even if the wind is blowing, the soil is not going to run away with the wind. Or even if the water is flowing from here, the soil is not going to flow away with the water because the roots have held the soil very tightly. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now, just imagine one thing. The less the trees, now if the water is flowing from here, the topmost layer भी flow हो जाएगी उसके साथ because there are no roots for holding the soil, है ना? If the water is
yes,
flowing, if the wind is flowing very
Yes.
fast, we are talking here, this is wind, and let's call this water, the blue color thing, okay? So, the less the trees, there will be no roots to hold the soil, and when the water is flowing with heavy flow, and if the wind is flowing very hard, the topmost layer of the earth will be washed away. देखो ठीक है, wind चली गई, trees नहीं है, the topmost layer of the earth has also gone away. Understood? Now we are only left with two layers of soil. Yes or no?
yes, ma'am.
Anna, the topmost layer has gone. This layer has washed away. This layer washed away because there were no trees to hold it. Okay?
Yes,
Understood?
yes, ma'am.
Now, when the uppermost layer of the soil goes away, it is called soil erosion. Understood? दिस इज कॉल्ड सॉइल इरोजन. और अपर मोस्ट लेयर जो होती है वो सबसे ज्यादा फर्टाइल होती है. इट इज द बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द सॉइल बिकॉज इट हैज न्यूट्रिएंट्स, इट कंटेन्स वाटर, इट कंटेन्स मॉइस्चर फॉर द ट्रीज. That's why it is on the topmost layer, right? Because it is fertile soil. It has humus in it. What is humus? What is humus? Yes, beta. What is humus? Can you tell me? organic material. Okay, organic material of dead plants and animals. क्योंकि प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स जब मर जाते हैं तो हम उसको सॉइल में बरी कर देते हैं ना. यस और नो? And
Yes.
that the plants will use them as nutrients. The plants are going to use them as nutrients. So that is humus. Okay. So the uppermost layer, जो ये top layer होती है soil की, उसमें ये सारी चीजें अच्छी चीजें होती है. तो अगर वही धुल जाएगी तो फिर there is no need of it, right? So plants will not grow properly if this is washed away. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood or not, beta? Now, can you see the deserts coming up, the deserted land coming up? फिर ये भी धुल जाएगी धीरे धीरे. This is also going to get washed away. Then only the below layer will remain. Now, this can you recollect this as desert? इसको desert कह सकते हैं. The uppermost layer, when the washing of the uppermost layer of the earth and the sand coming up, which is exposed, the hard rocky layer, when it is exposed due to soil erosion, is known as desertification. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
समझ आ गया?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So what is desertification basically? Yes, can anybody explain? Fatima Sarani beta, come on, explain what is desertification.
Fertilized, fertilized land converted into deserts is called desertification.
Fertile land getting converted into deserts is called desertification. Now, how the fertile lands are converting into desert? Because there is less
Hard,
plantation. Very
less
good.
plantations and hard and rocky layers.
Hard and rocky layers are exposed due to less
Less
plantation. Because
plantation.
less plantation की वजह से जो fertile soil है वो wash हो रही है ना?
Yes.
Yes. Anybody else wants to explain? Should I start saying the names here?
Can I try,
Come
ma'am?
on. Yes, beta.
When the roots of trees are not there to hold the soil, the
Hmm.
fertile soil, then the soil will get washed away with wind or with water,
Very good.
and slowly it gets converted into desert, and this is called desertification.
Very good, beta. Correct. Anybody else wants to? Anybody else wants to try? Fatima Travadi, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you want to try, beta? Yes, beta, go ahead. It's okay. Explain it in your own words if you want. You can say it in Hindi also. Hikani Fatima,
Yes, ma'am.
you want to try? Beta, say yes or no. If you don't want to try, say no. No, ma'am, I do not want to. Zainab Bojani, Merchant Conan, Merchant Conan.
Yes.
Yes, but come on, try. What is desertification?
Excuse me, what? I did not hear you.
Can you try explaining desertification, beta?
Okay.
It's okay. If you want, you can explain it in your own words, okay? If you want, you can use Hindi also. But just try. I can hear you, Conan. Come on.
Uh, uh,
It's okay. Speak in Hindi if you want, or speak in Gujarati. I understand both the languages.
I don't know how to understand it.
Voice is cutting, bacha. Cannot hear you.
I actually did not understand it.
You did not understand. Do you want me to explain it again?
If you can, please.
Okay. Then tell me if you don't understand, let me know. I'll explain you, okay? So what
Okay.
happens in desertification? Okay, you want me? Do you understand English properly, or you want me to explain
Yes,
it in
I
Hindi?
understand English perfectly. Can
Okay.
and do it in English.
No worries. Okay. See, the topmost layer of soil. This is the topmost layer of soil, and this topmost layer is very fertile. You understand what is fertile, beta?
Yes.
Okay. Then the second most layer is this soil, and this soil will be not very much fertile. Okay. Then the last layer will be the hard rocky layer. All right.
Mm-hmm.
Hard rocky layer, understood?
Yeah.
Now there will be trees on the soil. Okay. The roots of the trees will be holding on to the soil. Yes or no?
Yes.
सो अगर बहुत सारे ट्रीज होंगे तो वो सॉइल को होल्ड करके रखेंगे, तो जब बहुत तेजी से विंड आ रही है, वाटर फ्लो हो रहा है, तो ये अपर मोस्ट लेयर है जो वो वॉश ऑफ नहीं होगा, बिकॉज उस पे ट्रीज है ना? यस और नो?
Uh-huh. Yes.
ओके, बट इफ देर आर नो ट्रीज हियर, if there are no trees here, this uppermost layer of the soil will be washed away because there is nothing to hold on to.
Hmm.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
है ना? तो ये wash off हो जाएगी. This layer is going to wash away with water, the
Yes.
fertile layer. Then धीरे धीरे the second most fertile layer will be washed away with water. और फिर ये हार्ड रॉकी लेयर एक्सपोज हो जाएगी. हार्ड रॉकी लेयर है वो एक्सपोज हो जाएगी ना.
Huh.
दिस लेयर, hard rocky layer, right?
Yes.
Now when the most fertile layer of the soil gets erased, it goes on with water, soil erosion takes place, and the hard rocky layer is exposed, and the fertile land जो थी हमारी वो कन्वर्ट हो गई डेजर्ट में,
Mm-hmm.
है ना?
Yes.
तो इस चीज को बोलते हैं डेजर्टिफिकेशन. अंडरस्टूड?
Yes. Yeah. I did.
यस.
Yes.
अंडरस्टूड बेटा?
Yes, I understood.
Okay. Is everybody clear with it?